Self-development is a lifelong journey of enhancing our skills, capabilities, knowledge, and personal and professional growth. Here are 10 practical steps to help you embark on the path of self-development. 1. Set clear goals. Define specific and measurable goals that you want to achieve in your personal and professional life. Make sure these goals are realistic and have a time frame. 2. Lifelong learning. Continuously acquire knowledge and develop your skills. Read books and articles, attend courses and seminars, and leverage various educational opportunities. Remember that learning extends beyond academia and includes practical and social skill development. 3. Embrace challenges. Fearlessly try new things and venture into the unknown. Challenge yourself and push beyond your personal limits. It could be taking up new work challenges, pursuing a new hobby, or traveling to explore new cultures. 4. Volunteer and help others. Dedicate your time and skills to volunteer work and assisting others. This not only benefits others but also contributes to your personal growth, inner satisfaction, and expands your network. 5. Care for mental and physical health. Prioritize a healthy lifestyle by ensuring sufficient sleep, engaging in regular physical exercise, and consuming nutritious food. Also, make time for relaxation and enjoy personal activities that bring you peace. 6. Effective communication. Learn to communicate effectively with others. Develop good listening skills and express your thoughts and ideas clearly. Utilize nonverbal communication, such as body language and facial expressions, to enhance effective communication. 7. Time management. Organize and manage your time effectively. Identify priorities and employ time management techniques such as creating task lists and using schedules to optimize your time and increase productivity. 8. Meditation and relaxation. Allocate time for meditation and relaxation. This could involve practicing meditation, yoga, or any activity that helps you unwind and calm your mind. 9. Surround yourself with positive people. Seek out positive individuals who inspire and support you in your self-development journey. Interact with people who motivate and encourage you to progress and grow. 10. Enjoy the journey. Don't forget to enjoy the process itself. Self-development is an ongoing process, so savor every step, challenge, and anticipate the positive results that you will achieve over time. Remember, self-development takes time and effort, and it cannot be achieved in a single moment. Stay committed to your personal growth and never lose hope. You will discover tremendous success and personal fulfillment on your path of self-development.